Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos, and today I'm going to be doing some more cooking for you. What I'm going to be making today is something called Kuku Sabzi. It's a Persian dish. It's basically rice mixed with herbs. Also, I'm going to get some herbs as well. It's basically the same herbs, it's just you put some in rice and then you fry some. Also, what I'm going to do is add some tuna with it or to the side. You're supposed to really be using fish, but I don't like fish, I'm not a fan, so I can just about bear tuna, so I'll just put that to the side, on the side of the dish. So stay tuned, see how it goes, let me know what you think. Okay guys, what I've got here, I've grinded some onions already in this bucket. Listen, don't judge me the bucket, okay? I don't have enough stuff. Anyway, so in the bucket we've got grinded onions, okay? Now what I've got is I've got some herbs. I've chopped it up, made a whole mess. Didn't show that. Inside the herbs we've got leek, we have got parsley, dill, coriander, and some garlic. Now this is for the kuku, which is we're gonna fry. I've just added some onions onto this. That's the rice. It's basically, this is what it looks like, chopped up nicely in a bowl. But we're gonna have the same thing in the rice. One's gonna cook with the rice, one's gonna cook here. It's gonna get fried, and then you mix them together. I'll show you. So what I'm gonna do is pour that in there. Okay. Make sure I get all of it because I spent a lot of time on doing that and it made a mess all over the place. Right, now what you want to do is add some salt, add some pepper, and then you want to add just a tiny bit of turmeric. You don't want it to really. Okay, and then a tiny bit of cinnamon, just a tiny bit, okay, just to give it some taste or whatever. And then I'm going to add 2 eggs. That's number 1. That's number 2. Now what you do, wash. Yeah, I'm gonna wash the towel later. What you do is you just mix it all up. Okay. Can you see that, guys? It's basically like this. It might not look so good in the camera, but trust me, this is the stuff. And then, yeah, that is basically it. Now, that is ready. All I'm going to do now is put this here, turn it on. I'm going to heat it up, heat up the frying pan. Where's my oil? I'm going to put some oil in there. You want to get it really nice and oily so it doesn't stick. Okay, so this is starting to warm, well, heat up. What I'm going to do, get one of these and just pour it all in there. Get all of it in, because you know, the herbs that I got, once I chopped it up, I thought it would be a lot more, but no. I didn't chop up enough herbs, so we're gonna have to do with what we got. So every tiny bit in there, you gotta dig it out to make your kuku. Now what I'm gonna do is pattern this out. Let that be. Now, for my other part, I've got my rice. I've got it washed, it's ready. What I'm going to do is add the other herbs onto this. Simply the same kind of herbs goes in there. Okay. That goes in. Let me just turn this down so it cooks slowly. You don't want it to burn or anything. Where's the lid? Have that there. Now what I'm going to do is mix this up. I think our herbs isn't enough compared to our rice. So there you go. What I'm going to do is add some water to this. I'm going to add some oil to it and then just let it cook. Let's see how we're doing here. I'm not really a left-hander, but anyway. Yep, I think that should do. That's more than enough. Now, what you want to do is obviously add some salt to it, and then you want to add some oil to it. There you go. It's all green and healthy. Today's food, I was going to say there's no meat, but I got some tuna. I mean, does tuna even, you know, tuna, I don't really count it as meat. I mean, anyway, I'm going to get a lot of feedback on that one probably. Yeah, so basically, this is your rice. This is what you call Kuku Sabzi. Sorry, Kuku Sabzi Polo. This is Kuku Sabzi. Okay? So, yeah, I'm just going to let this chill, do its thing, cook, and this will take probably about 15-20 minutes to cook. That'll be ready. This is, yeah, got to keep an eye on this one. It's still, like you can see, it's wobbly. Need to let it set. I've put this on low temperature so it's cooked slowly. But yeah, once it's set, you'll see it shrink around the edges or around the corners. That means it's hardened. So then I'm going to chop it up like a pizza, as I mentioned before. Flip it around. Let this side, the other side, cook as well. Good to be served. So don't go anywhere, and I shall be back. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's all in the link below. MosToosifar. Okay guys, could I just make a small confession? Not even a confession, I just messed up a little bit. What I was meant to add to this was a spoon of flour, so it helps it to stick together a little bit better. But it's as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see in the camera or not, but it's still like loose. It's not stuck together. So what I've done is I've turned up the heat. Hopefully it makes it stick together by, you know, as the steam comes out. So let me get my pink spoon and see how it is. I mean, yeah, it's doing its thing. This is what I mean by doing a pizza shop. Okay. But the thing is, right, if I attempt to flip this over, it's all just gonna go pear-shaped. So I'm gonna try and let it cook for longer. I just hope it doesn't burn. Let's see, guys. Wish me luck. This particular food may be a fail. Should I do it? Guys, do you think I should do it? Here we go, guys. Make a mess of the food, right? I hope it catches on camera. Let me get my hands right. Voila. I just made a whole mess, guys. Fail. This was a huge fail. And I'm getting it all on camera. Oh boy. I should have just done it like a normal person and stopped trying to be a hero. Well guys, here's our lovely burnt Kuku Sabzi, which I made a mess of. Not proud of that whatsoever. Don't even want to eat it, to be honest with you. I just made a whole mess. Our rice, on the other hand, guys, the fragrance of the rice, since it's not burnt and it's been done, is amazing. The smell of this, one thing, when you eat a lot and you're full, but when the smell of this gets to you, you still want to take a spoon out of this and then just have it just by itself, just the rice. No Kuku Sabzi or nothing else, just by the rice. That came out good. I'm happy with that. But this, that's embarrassing. I don't even know if I should post this. Guys, let me give it a quick little stir. Oh, I think we may have even crispy rice at the bottom too on this. So let's listen to that, guys. Let me just pour this all in here. Honestly, man, that's so disappointing. I'm gonna get a lot of comments privately behind cameras. What was that? What did you do? You're embarrassing. Take it off. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna get it from all angles, from everyone. Right. Really, honestly, let me try and pick out the good bits, if there is any. There you go. It's supposed to come out nice and triangular one shaped, but yeah, there you go. I guess not always is perfect, I guess, or even half decent. I'm going to leave it as that. Right, and now I've got our tuna as well. Simply just put it next to it. Tuna is the saviour of today's video. Right. Don't fall out, please. Don't make any more mess. That's enough. I'm not even going to put a spoon in that. Yeah, here is our burnt Kuku Sabzi polo and tuna. Yeah, not much to say. I ain't got no more words to say about this. I'm just not happy with the Kuku. So I've said multiples of times in the last 3 minutes. Enjoy, guys. See you next time.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come